Thank you. I'm a dancer, yeah.
Hey, Magic, whoa.
Dad?
Buster, take me out of here.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude.
They're shooting porno here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented our house to them last summer.
What?
Your house?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer bad, man.
Isn't it awesome?
Let's go.
Those walls can
You
fly.
think I do it?
Hey,
No.
hey,
Shit,
ain't cool,
Daddy.
man.
What are you doing?
I like him.
Problem.
You're such a jerk.
Come on.
Dad, you dumbass. These guys are serious.
Yeah, well, so am I. Go up to the seat of my fucking boat. Oh, motherfuckers. Get on, now. I'm about to skin you alive. God damn it. Go.
OMG, they're coming. Go into that outlet.
All right.
Oh, God, look, they're shooting at us.
We'll lose them if we keep going this way. Who the fuck are these people?
Oh, you know, TV people, celebs, serious drug dealers.
Well, since when did TV people and drug dealers start hanging out?
Come on.